Hi, look what a big package I've got in the mail today. So let's unbox it. Yes, it's an MSX computer. It's an MSX1 computer from Sony, the HitBit 75D. The D stands for the German, the Deutsche version of this, because it has a QWERTZ keyboard. And of course there are the German umlauts. As every MSX computer, this has a Z80 processor and 16K of video memory, and this HitBit 75D comes with 64K of main memory. The PSU is built in, so there's a Euro plug attached to the cable coming from the computer, and you have two cartridge slots. One is on the top and the other one is on the back. Centronics printer port, video out, tape in and out, SCART RGB connector, and there's the RF socket and power, of course. The joystick ports on the side. Before powering up the machine, I like to take a look inside, because I guess there's a culprit with the reefer caps in it. Another minor problem I found at the outside: the caps lock key is stuck and it seems to be glued in place. And there you have it. A typical problem of machines of this type are the reefer capacitors in the PSU, so we have to take a look under this plastic shield. Ta-da! Look at them, they already have cracks in the case. And this too. There you have them, they are not needed for operation, so now we can power up the machine and test it. Okay, here we go. And it's working. Yay! Let's see if we can load a tape file from my smartphone. I downloaded the app MSX to CAS, and if it's loud enough, it should work. Let's try it out. I've chosen the game Night Night, a homebrew from 2019, loaded it up in the app, and the app exactly tells me what command I have to type in the MSX computer. I did that already, and let's try it. There it says found Night K. That seems to work. And it did it. Let's plug in a joystick and have a little play. Bye for now.